Hello everyone. Welcome to our open house for 22-23 school year. This is Dr. Angela McDonald. I'm the superintendent of Advantage Academy. We have 4 campuses in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, 2 in Grand Prairie, 1 in Dallas, and 1 in Waxahachie. We have pre-K through 12th grade, and we have been in existence for 25 years. We are excited to get to know you, and I hope you're excited to get to know us. We want you to just listen for a few minutes so you can hear more about what we do and, more importantly, why we do it. It's all about the students. We love our students and we want to see them grow, mind, body, and spirit. So thank you, and we'll see you soon.
Here at Advantage Academy, we build champions with a future and a hope. That's why our students begin every single day in our Champion Auxiliary period, where they get the chance to learn about our 7 pillars of character and leadership, which are unique to our school. Designed by our caring school counselors, our students will also practice social and emotional skills, connect with their learning in school to the real world, and discuss family and community values in a supportive environment. So from pre-K to far beyond graduation, our students know that they are champions.
I am a champion. I have amazing brain, unique gifts, greatness God had me. I've achieved what I need to achieve. I won't quit believing in myself because I am a champion.
Meeting our students' academic needs and helping them grow is so important to us. Carefully planned curriculum, individualized online support, creative projects, and field trips are just some of the ways our students learn. We also offer English language support, special education, GT programs, and one-on-one or small group tutoring if your student needs just a little bit more. Our high schoolers look beyond their 4 years. Our career and technical education courses provide practical support in becoming college, career, or military ready. We offer programs of study in the areas of business and industry and STEM. We also offer free dual credit courses through TSTC and Dallas College. What else can our students engage in? We have a variety of extracurricular activities because we know education goes beyond the classroom. We offer sports such as basketball, flag football, volleyball, and others based on student interest. We have clubs, national honor societies, academic competitions, and more. In high school, some of our students have the opportunity to engage in the community and gain real-world experience through internships. Lastly, students will take part in community service projects as they work towards graduation. At each of our campuses, you will find additional student services that are designed to put students and their families at ease. We offer free before and after school care where students can work on homework, do fun activities, and eat a snack or a meal. We know that in order for students to engage academically, their bodies need to be prepared first. That's why we offer free breakfast and lunch to all students, regardless of income. One of the things Advantage Academy families love most are our mentoring programs. We partner with Heart and Home Ministries and Mentors Care to provide students with supportive and consistent adult mentors because we believe in the power of positive role models. We're also excited that this year we are continuing to offer virtual professional mental health counseling services through Dial Care as part of our mind, body, and spirit mission. We believe that parents are the most important teachers. That's why building a strong school-family partnership is so important to our mission. As a part of this commitment, we host virtual parent university meetings multiple times per semester, where you'll get the chance to learn more about important information and upcoming events, talk with campus principals and other parents, ask questions, and have fun. Another way we encourage families to get involved is through our Parent Ambassador program. This partnership allows parents to collaborate with their campus principal and other staff on upcoming initiatives and activities, give important feedback and support, and help build a collaborative culture between the school, families, and the community. We also offer fun family engagement nights, luncheons, and other opportunities for our families to be a part of their child's education, including take-home assignments that promote intentional family discussion. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to learn more about Advantage Academy. We're so excited to connect with you and welcome you to our school. To enroll now, find an upcoming open house or campus tour, or just get more information, visit our website at www.advantageacademy.org or give us a call at 214-276-5822. We can't wait to see you.